What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Madjennsy, and today's video is about my latest nail care routine, the things that I do to keep my nails healthy and strong at home, things that you can do and try. So the first thing I want to do is to get an exfoliation mask for my nails. Usually I get this, this kind of like mud looking thing. It looks like mud. But it has all of the ingredients needed to exfoliate your hands, and I usually use it only for my nails. I do this after shower because your nails are like really clean, softened, and of course you want to have your nails really clean. This means you brutally removed any nail polish left so that it's just bare nails. Alright, so what you want to do is just to massage them all the way through, just like so, like I'm doing it. Massage them. Face exfoliating scrubs also work as well. Also the ones that come with salt and things like that. There's a brand that I really love, which is 100% pure. I want you guys to check that one out. It's cruelty-free, vegan, it's amazing, and it has all these amazing ingredients, lavender, and there's so many different styles and kinds. But this one is one that I got for a while. Anyways, just keep on adding all the product to all of your nails, and then I'm using this. This is like a little thing that my mom crocheted for me and I love it, and I usually use it to remove any exfoliation creams and stuff like that. Even it works as a makeup remover pad. I love it. Anyways, this is how I remove everything. I use some warm water to do it, like I'm showing you. A little bit of warm water. It shouldn't be that hot. Also, when you do things around your home, like cleaning, everything that you could do, like just don't forget to use your gloves. Protect them, protect your nails, and remember your nails are not tools. In the case you need to do something, just grab a tool for it. Don't use your nails as tools, especially if they're long. Long nails can catch a lot of dirt, and you don't want that. To keep them healthy, strong, and keep growing, you really want to make sure that you're taking care of them properly. So yeah, one of the things that is amazing about this nail care routine is all of the massages and that work, around the nail bed, because this will stimulate blood flow, which leads ultimately to nail growth. But usually, every person has different nails, right? So this might just work as well for you, or might not. It depends. Because some nails are really strong, some nails are just really weak. So you want to do this once a week and see the results. If it works, just keep doing it and don't overdo it. Don't do this like every day or so. Well, this is my little kit that I use. This is a common nail kit, to trim them, take care of them. This is pretty basic stuff, and this is a really quick thing to do after you finish cleaning, exfoliating your nails. The thing that comes next will be the trimming. Now, I'm not an expert on this, and everyone has different tastes, so it's not written anything about this. Like, you're free to do any shape that you want, you're free to cut them any way that you want. There is no right or wrong. The first thing that you want to do is to push your cuticles back. Yes, some say that you shouldn't do this, that is bad, that is unhealthy, and so and such and such. Well, don't do it if there isn't any dead skin. But if there is, then you absolutely must do it. Yes, we push them so that the skin won't grow on top of your nail. You don't want that, it's disgusting. And actually, yeah, it doesn't work if you want to have beautiful nails, apply nail polishes, and do a nail art. Absolutely no. You want to push your cuticles back because it's dead skin anyways. And you want to do it really gently. You can use an orange stick. I'm using the back of this tool like this, very gently, please. please don't hurt yourself. And if you do the tiniest bit, just stop. And yeah, make sure that when you're doing all of this process, you do it very, very carefully. And remember, your nails are kind of like weak after all the process. But don't worry, we're gonna give the strength back soon. The next step will be the filing. That's right. There is no right or wrong on the filing, because some nails are thicker, some nails are thinner, so it depends on which kind of nails do you have. That's the kind of file that you want. Some say, oh, don't do it back and forth because they're gonna get hurt, they're gonna get destroyed, and boom. Well, that is not true for everybody. I mean, if you have weak nails, of course, and if you're doing too rough, you know, of course it's gonna damage your nails. So do it gently. I do this a little bit, go back and forth softly, but then I do it on one side to remove any excess of the nail that I'm shaping. Also, in my case, my nails are curved. This means that there is no way I could have them perfectly square, and there is also no way that I can have them perfectly round. They're so curved. So they look like weird. But so many people have my nails, and I'm glad that actually I found people that got my nails. My nail beds are so different too. Some people have these huge nail beds and some just don't, and people are just so different. That's why I'm just, you know, saying all of these things before I get a lot of comments saying the same thing, like, you don't do it like that, or it's not done that way. Anyways, I'm just showing you how I do it, how it works for me, and there is nothing right or wrong. Just give it a try, see if it works for you, and that's it. The next step will be to use the buffing block. I love this block, but you only want to do this as a beauty tip, like a beauty step. If you want to whiten the tips and you want them to look very white, then you can do this buffing, but just a little bit, tiny bit, so they look whiter. That's all the point, so they look, you know, lighter. Anyways, you can absolutely get this done using the lemon technique and some other techniques that I showed on my previous nail care routine video, which I'm gonna link in the cards here. And I'm definitely sure that if you're already in the community, you already watched it. It's one of my top most popular videos in this channel. Anyways, this video has been requested for such a long time. It's been overdue, and I'm happy to be able to share it with you guys what I do today to keep my nails healthy, strong, and clean. Anyways, so this is how I finished the buffing part and the filing part, and now the next step will be moisturizing. So exfoliation, cleaning up, filing, buffing, and now the nutrition. You want to eat a really, really healthy diet too, for your nails to be healthy too. Yes, you gotta get your sunlight, you gotta get your vitamin D, you wanna get enough nutrients. And when I'm talking about nutrients, I'm talking about fruits and vegetables, legumes, beans, and grains. That's it. The most nutritious food in the world are the leafy greens, so get those. If you want to have beautiful nails, get them. Anyways, just go and grab your vegetable oil. It could be any. The best ones, the most popular and the best ones that are gold is the coconut oil, and I'm using right now avocado oil. But either of those work amazing. Same goes for sunflower, same goes for olive oil. You know what? Because nails are actually made naturally from oils. That's why this is like their food. They absolutely love and enjoy oil, so you need to oil your nails once a week. This is like feeding your nails, in a way to put it. And just massage them just the way that I'm showing you. Massage them all the way back and forth. Give them love, spend some time with them. Even though nail care routines tend to be long, you want to do this once a week. and when you do it, just dedicate 10 minutes. And 10 minutes is not really that much. 10 minutes and that's it, you're done. Alright, so this is how the nails look like after the moisturizing. Now you can leave it there, wait for it to absorb it all. So let them, absorb all the oil, or you can just remove all the excess, wipe it off, and then we'll move to the final step, which would be the most amazing product that I'm using right now, which is this Miracle Nail Thickener by Sally Hansen. I absolutely love this product. It makes my nails so strong and they never break, period. They never break at all, and they keep growing and growing and getting longer and longer. It's just an amazing product. So once you make sure you remove any excess oil, because yes, you want to have the nails really well for the nail thickener to stay in place, if you know what I mean. Otherwise it's gonna slide off. Some people just will apply on top of the moisturized nails, but I don't recommend that. It's better to do it straight on the nail like this. Anyways, we're getting into the end of the nail care routine. I hope you really enjoy it, and this is pretty much what I do to take care of my nails. You want to do this once a week, like I said previously, several times already. You want to do this once a week, and make sure to keep them healthy, and don't forget about them. Give them love, take care of them, and if you're curious about how to shape them round or pointy, I have a video about that. Also, I have a nail growth videos, again I'm gonna link up everything. And alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.